Microfiber mops are the perfect solution for cleaning laminate floors. There are many products available to choose microfiber mops, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best microfiber mops from reputable brands. After much research, I found there's products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Siga Professional Microfiber Mop. Siga Mop is a professional cleaning tool suitable for various floors like hardwood, tile, and laminate. Its durable construction with stainless steel handle and reusable microfiber pads makes floor cleaning effortless. The 360-degree swivel head allows easy maneuvering around obstacles. The telescopic handle can be adjusted for comfort, eliminating the need to bend down. The dual-action microfiber pad is machine washable and efficient in dust and water absorption, leaving your floors spotless. Number 2. 18 Professional Microfiber Mop. The 18 Professional Microfiber Mop is a floor cleaning solution designed for both professional cleaners and homeowners. It includes wet and dust mopping features and is great for all hard surface flooring types. The mop is durable with an adjustable stainless steel handle and washable pads that can be reused even after hundreds of washings. What we like: easy to use and maneuver, great for all hard surface flooring types, durable with washable and reusable pads. Number 3. Wet dust mops for hardwood floor cleaning. Mexera's spray mops are a convenient and efficient solution for floor cleaning. With the 4 reusable mop pads, you can easily switch between rooms without the hassle of constantly changing disposable pads. The microfiber mop pads effectively remove grime and dirt from your floors with just 1 or 2 passes, saving you time and effort. The easy assembly of the mop ensures that you can start cleaning right away, and the misty spray feature ensures that your floors are lightly dampened instead of soaked. The 360-degree swivel mop head allows for easy maneuverability, making it simple to clean hard-to-reach areas. The mop also comes with 2 backup bottles, ensuring. Number 4. Swiffer WetJet Hardwood and Floor Spray Mop. The Swiffer WetJet Hardwood and Floor Spray Mop Cleaner Starter Kit is a great choice for those looking for a convenient and easy-to-use floor cleaner. The kit includes a WetJet spray mop, 6 heavy-duty mopping pad refills, 4 original mopping pad refills, 1 bottle of cleaning solution, and 4 batteries. This floor mop is safe on all finished wood floors and is recyclable. It also features an Absorb Plus lock strip that helps trap dirt and grime deep in the pad. Customers have praised the product for its lightweight design and ease of use, though some have noted that the cleaning solution and disposable pad refills can be expensive. Number 5. 18 Professional Microfiber Mop Floor Cleaning System. The 18 Professional Microfiber Mop Floor Cleaning System is a high-efficiency cleaning tool that can cover a lot of areas in a single scan. The mop is industrial grade, with a solid aluminum alloy mop head and a stainless steel handle that can withstand frequent use. The handle length is adjustable, and the mop head is 360 rotatable. 4 washable, reusable mop pads are included, which can be easily attached and removed with the Velcro design.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much more easier.